1. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $17,500. Located Cullman, Alabama. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a purpose-built classic American drag car that blends iconic first-generation Camaro styling with serious race-ready hardware. Offered as a roller with no VIN, this vehicle is designed strictly for performance use and is ideal for racers looking to complete a proven platform with their preferred drivetrain setup. Finished in black over a black interior, the car maintains an aggressive and timeless appearance, though the fiberglass paint is noted as presentable rather than show quality. Built with competition in mind, this Camaro features a Dana 60 rear end that was freshly rebuilt last year, including new 5.13 gears, new axles, and a spool. The suspension setup includes ladder bars in the rear, new Jegs rear shocks, and coilover suspension up front, providing excellent straight-line stability. The car is set up for a small block Chevrolet engine paired with a Powerglide transmission, making it a versatile foundation for many drag racing combinations. Additional highlights include K&R wiring, a Siebert Performance 950 carburetor, a new fuel system installed last season, newer slicks with only one season of use, and a recently replaced flywheel and starter. Safety and functionality are enhanced with a swing-out driver sidebar, fiberglass front end with a steel body, and glass installed in both the front and rear. According to the seller, the car runs straight and handles exceptionally well for an older chassis, consistently delivering 6.40-second passes in summer conditions with its previous setup. 2. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle drag car. Price, $15,000. Located Canal, Fulton, Ohio. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle drag car is a clean and well-prepared rolling chassis built specifically for competitive drag racing. Designed as a bracket-style race car, this Chevelle offers a solid foundation for racers looking to install their preferred big-block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission. The exterior and interior present in very clean condition for a purpose-built race car, reflecting careful ownership and proper maintenance. The vehicle is currently set up as a roller and comes equipped with key components that simplify the final build process. Included with the car are headers and 2 steering wheel options, allowing flexibility for both box and no-box racing configurations. The interior is stripped and focused on function, ensuring reduced weight and straightforward access for race day adjustments. According to the seller, this Chevelle has previously run consistent 6.20-second passes, demonstrating its strong chassis setup and proven performance capability. The suspension and drivetrain layout are optimized for straight-line stability, making it an excellent choice for both experienced racers and those stepping into organized drag racing. With its classic muscle car body combined with modern race preparation, this 1969 Chevelle stands out as a reliable and competitive bracket car. Simply install the engine and transmission, and it is ready to return to the track. This is a turnkey-ready platform for serious drag racing enthusiasts who value proven performance and clean presentation. 3. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $55,000. Located Horn Lake, Mississippi. This 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a professionally built, high-horsepower drag and street machine that combines classic second-generation Camaro styling with extreme performance hardware. Finished in black over a black interior, this split-bumper Camaro features a clean title and has been driven only 300 miles since completion, reflecting a fresh and well-sorted build. Power comes from a pump-gas 496 big-block Chevrolet engine topped with a 10-71 TBS supercharger and dual carburetors. The drivetrain is supported by a TH400 automatic transmission and a fully back-half chassis with ladder bars. Out back, a strange 9-inch rear end with strange brakes ensures durability and confidence under heavy power. The suspension system includes TRZ upper and lower control arms, AFCO coilovers at all 4 corners, and TRZ bump steer components for precise handling. Additional highlights include a raceback digital dash, Spaghetti Minders wiring, MagnaFuel fuel system, and dual red top batteries. The car rides on Weld double beadlock wheels in the rear and 17-inch RC comp wheels up front. This Camaro is offered turnkey at the listed price or available as a roller for a reduced amount. Clean, aggressive, and built with high-quality components throughout. This 1971 Camaro Z28 is a serious performer suitable for drag racing or high-end street use. 4. 1989 Pontiac Firebird Formula 350. Price: $18,000. Located Scottsburg, Indiana. This 1989 Pontiac Firebird Formula 350 is a fully caged, track-ready performance car built with racing reliability and power in mind. Under the hood sits a 434 cubic inch Stroker Motown small block equipped with Pro-Action cylinder heads, eagle rods and crankshaft, and fully forged SRP pistons. This combination delivers strong, dependable power designed for competitive use. The drivetrain features a professionally built turbo 400 transmission with a cheetah valve body, paired with a cone torque converter rated at 5,500 stall. Power is transferred to a Ford 9-inch rear end with Moser axles and strange components, providing strength and durability. A Hayes flywheel and fully forged internals further enhance the car's race-focused setup. This Firebird is NHRA certified, fully caged, and considered track-ready, making it suitable for organized racing events. Despite its competition focus, it retains a clean title and is described as being in good overall condition. The car has numerous upgrades and performance components, far too many to list in full detail. Built for enthusiasts who want serious performance without starting from scratch, this 1989 Firebird Formula offers a proven platform with quality parts throughout. Possible trades are mentioned, but the value lies in its complete and ready-to-run racing configuration. 5. 1977 Chevrolet Vega Hatchback. Price: $9,500. Located Decherd, Tennessee. This 1977 Chevrolet Vega hatchback is a lightweight classic drag-oriented build that combines compact design with proven small-block Chevrolet power. Originally built as a race car, this Vega remains an excellent platform for enthusiasts seeking an affordable and fun performance vehicle with vintage character. Finished in blue with a black interior, the car presents cleanly and shows no signs of rust, an increasingly rare trait for this model. Under the hood sits a strong-running 283 cubic inch V8 equipped with a big cam and reworked cylinder heads. The engine is reported to rev cleanly up to 6,500 revolutions per minute without issue, delivering sharp throttle response and reliable performance. Power is sent through a rebuilt Powerglide automatic transmission, making it well-suited for both drag strip use and casual cruising. The rear end features a newly installed 4.11 ring and pinion along with a new Posey unit, providing strong acceleration and consistent traction. A full roll cage is in place, enhancing both safety and chassis rigidity. The exhaust system has been completely replaced and all glass is intact, including front and rear windows. Described as a former race car that now runs very well, this Vega offers classic drag racing style with practical drivability. Trade options are mentioned, making this a versatile opportunity for hot rod and classic performance enthusiasts. 6. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Outlaw Drag Car. Price: $78,000. Located Mammoth Cave, Kentucky. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro is a professionally built outlaw drag car designed for extreme performance and serious competition. Constructed with a Stroop chassis by Maddox in 2019, this Camaro features a chrome moly double frame rail configuration, providing exceptional strength, rigidity, and safety at high speeds. The build quality reflects a no-compromise approach intended for top-level drag racing. Power comes from a massive 706 cubic inch engine producing approximately 1,430 horsepower, built by Par. The combination is engineered for brutal acceleration and consistent passes, making this Camaro an ideal platform for outlaw or index racing classes. The drivetrain and supporting components are matched to handle the immense power output, ensuring reliability under demanding conditions. The lightweight yet rigid chassis design allows the car to remain stable at speed, while the suspension geometry is optimized for straight-line launches. Every aspect of this Camaro has been carefully planned to maximize performance, from weight distribution to structural integrity. Presented in excellent condition and described as a perfect outlaw 4.70 car, This 1969 Camaro represents a rare opportunity to acquire a modern-built race chassis wrapped in iconic first-generation Camaro styling. It is an ideal choice for racers seeking proven engineering, elite horsepower, and a competitive edge straight out of the trailer. 7. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street. Price: $35,000. Located Cullman, Alabama. This 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street build combines classic mid-60s muscle car styling with a well-documented and street-friendly high-performance setup. Finished in yellow with a black interior, this Chevelle retains a clean title and is fully paid off, making it an attractive turnkey option for cruising, shows, and spirited driving. Power is supplied by a 388 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine built by Motormasters. The engine features a 4,340 forged crankshaft, 6-inch eagle rods, maul pistons, and a comp cam's hydraulic roller cam and lifters. On pump gas, the engine produced approximately 530 horsepower, delivering strong performance while remaining reliable and drivable. The drivetrain includes a Richmond 5-speed manual transmission paired with a center-force clutch. Out back, a Ford 9-inch rear end with TrueTrack Posey and 4.11 gears is supported by a ladder bar setup and QA1 coilovers front and rear. Four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, and power brakes enhance comfort and control. With working lights, radio, exhaust, and street tires, this Chevelle drives exceptionally well and is described as cruise-in ready. Extensive receipts, engine documentation, and dyno information are included, highlighting the quality and transparency of the build. 8. 1972 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price: $24,500. Located Hebron, Ohio. This 1972 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a professionally built drag car designed for serious track performance while retaining classic second-generation Camaro styling. The car is finished in blue with a black interior and comes with an Ohio title in hand. Built to NHRA standards and certified down to 8.50 seconds, this Camaro represents a high-quality race chassis suitable for competitive use. The car is currently offered as a roller with no engine or transmission installed, making it an excellent opportunity for racers who want to select their own power combination. The chassis features a professionally engineered suspension setup, including a 4-link rear configuration and high-quality components throughout. According to the seller, the car has seen limited runs and has been well cared for since completion. With the proper drivetrain installed, this Camaro has demonstrated the capability to run deep into the 6-second range, delivering strong 60-foot times and consistent performance. The build emphasizes reliability, balance, and straight-line stability, making it ideal for bracket racing or heads-up competition. This 1972 Camaro is being sold only due to the owner purchasing another vehicle. Clean, well-built, and race-ready, it offers an excellent foundation for a serious drag racing program without the time and expense of starting from scratch. 9. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro built drag car. Price: $60,000. Located Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a professionally constructed drag racing machine built to an exceptionally high standard. Featuring a 7.50 certified chromoly tube chassis, this Nova is engineered for high-speed stability and safety while delivering outstanding track performance. The car weighs approximately 3,068 pounds with a driver, reflecting careful attention to weight distribution and balance. Power comes from an all-aluminum 632 cubic inch engine equipped with Brodix Big Duke cylinder heads and a Moroso dry sump system. The engine recently received a fresh rebuild with 0 passes since completion and has produced 979 horsepower naturally aspirated, with up to 1,735 horsepower using an Induction Solutions X275 system. Power is transferred through a professionally built Powerglide transmission rated to handle extreme horsepower levels. The rear suspension utilizes a 4-link setup with a wishbone and Minzer shocks, paired with a Strange-equipped 9-inch rear end and 40 spline axles. The body is laser straight and finished in PPG base and clear, featuring a lightweight one-piece fiberglass front end. Street legal and exceptionally well sorted, This Nova is a turnkey-level race car built for serious competition with no compromises in quality or performance. 10. 1968 Plymouth GTX RS 23. Price: $35,000. Located Evergreen Park, Illinois. This 1968 Plymouth GTX RS 23 is a true classic muscle car transformed into a capable pro street and strip machine. Finished in purple with a black interior, this real GTX retains its factory identity and fender tag, confirming its authenticity. The car presents in solid condition with no rust and a clean, aggressive stance. Under the hood sits a 440 cubic inch V8 built for strong torque and durability. The engine is equipped with adjustable lifters, a performance camshaft, upgraded cylinder heads, and an intake designed for high output. The bottom end has been built to withstand a 200 shot of nitrous, though nitrous has never been installed. Power is delivered through an automatic transmission with a manual valve body. Supporting features include disc brakes on all four corners, electric fan, electric water and fuel pumps, line lock, and a complete set of new tires. The car has been street-driven and described as extremely torquey, offering exhilarating performance while remaining controllable. With classic Mopar muscle presence and well-chosen performance upgrades, this 1968 GTX offers a rare blend of authenticity, power, and street strip capability for serious enthusiasts.